Hello everyone, my name is Sierrascopic and welcome back to Five Nights at Candy's. Last time I managed to keep myself from becoming kitty food, but let's see if I can do the same thing now. So moving on to night 2. Okay. Are you ready? Are you ready? I am ready. Hello?
You have one new message.
Hello?
What's up,
Hello?
dude?
See? I told you you'd do just fine. Anyway, I thought I'd mention, we have this little, list of, problems, that we have observed with the animatronics over some time.
I've noticed.
It's nothing to be concerned about, but the animatronics do have a few minor glitches, yeah.
Minor?
We're of course trying to get them fixed, but you should know some of them so you don't get,
Is it supposed to be pirate
nervous
code?
if you hear anything.
Ish.
Let me see, the animatronics sometimes start to walk around on their own.
Where are you?
Sometimes in the morning, you
Hi.
find them in the strangest places.
Hi.
So you may see them walking around while you're here. Let me see. Some of their sensors are a bit wonky. And in case the animatronics is experiencing violence towards a guest, the animatronic will try to seek out the cause and stop it. I have no idea how it decides to do that, but it doesn't seem to mind it with the children, though. It's weird. If there are children playing cops and robbers, and one of them gets shot, the animatronics don't really do anything out of the ordinary.
I'm a child.
Except
Kind of.
after that day, the animatronics don't really seem to function properly around adults. Especially not around the staff. The animatronics seem to ignore you most of the time, unless you come near them. And they just turn their heads and look at you. Like, as if you just told a bad joke.
Great.
I don't know, it's kind of creepy. But yeah, we kind of had an accident about a month ago. It seems to have, traumatized their systems or something like that. Anyway, we replaced the faulty animatronic with some brand new ones. Yeah, so he's stored way in the back until we can get someone to fix him. Anyway, if I were you, I'd keep the other ones at a distance and use the doors if you have to. That would be it for now. Have a good night.
You too. I'm gonna die. Okay. Hi, Candy. How are you today? Tonight? This morning? It's still morning. Is it still morning? I think it's still morning. Okay. Okay, you're still where you're supposed to. Do you move around at all? Oh god, I hope you don't move around. Hello! Hi! Hi there. Well, alrighty then. Oh dear. Okay, you're still there. Oh, I would appreciate if you went back to camera 1. Okay, so... God, I'm wasting power. Oh dear. Oh, hello! Okay. Great. Now I have 3 of them. Now I have 3 of them to look after. Great. Hi. Are you a duck or a monkey? Oh god. Now I have the monkey version of Foxy. Hello! Hi, you are getting a little close for comfort, my friend. Yeah, I'm gonna call you... Munkerson. Okay, so nothing else seems to be happening, but that monkey seems to be moving every single time I don't look at it. Alright, so you're gonna play a foxy thing. Oh dear. Where the hell? Okay. No. That's a big no. That's no. Hi. Oh dear. Okay, you're gone. Oh crap. Nope. 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 Okay. Did you leave yet? Yes. Okay. So I've noticed that this game gives you audio cues. Just listen for the footsteps. Hi. Hi. Where's your brother? Oh, where's the monkey? Where's the monkey? Where's Munkerson? Hi, you're back. Okay. There you are. Hi. Oh dear. Okay. Okay. Hi. No, you're too close. Hi there. Oh god, where'd you go now? Hi. Hello. You're getting a little close for comfort, Munkerson. There you are. Alright, you're gone. Okay. Hello! No! That is a big no. Oh crap. Nope, close! Why won't you? Okay. Great, is that my blood? Did I bleed all over the newspaper? This is gonna be great. Alright, let's try that again. Oh dear. Now I have 3 of them. This is great. This is gonna be amazing. Okay. Hello, hi. Okay, you 2 are still there.
You have
You're still there.
1 new message.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? See? I told you you'd do just fine. Anyway, I thought I'd mention, we have this little, list of,
Yes, I know. There are glitches with the animatronics. You stay put.
With the animatronics over some time. It's nothing to be concerned about, but the animatronics do have a few minor glitches. We're of course trying to get
appreciate
them
this right
fixed,
now.
but you should know some of them.
Where'd you go?
Get, nervous if you hear anything. Let me see.
You're still there.
The animatronics sometimes start to walk around on their own.
I've noticed.
Sometimes in the morning, we find them in the strangest places. So you may see them walking around while you're here. Some of their sensors are a bit wonky. And in case the animatronics is experiencing violence towards a guest, the animatronic will try to seek out the cause and stop it. I have no idea how it decides to do that, but
something tells me not something that will benefit me.
So it's weird.
Oh,
If there are children playing cops and robbers, and one of them gets shot, the animatronics don't really do anything out of the ordinary.
Okay. Are you wearing suspenders?
Except after that day, the
I'm not gonna
animatronics don't
lie,
really
actually.
seem to function
Oh, God.
properly around adults.
Nope.
Especially not around
Nope.
staff. The animatronics seem to ignore you most of the time, unless you come near them. And they just turn their heads
Stay gone.
and look at you. Like, as if you just told a bad joke. I don't know.
Good at that.
It's kinda
Okay, hello, Munkerson.
But yeah, we kind of had an
I think that's what her
accident
name was.
about a month ago. It seems to
still
have,
only 1 a.m. What
traumatized
the
their
hell,
systems
dude?
or something like that. Anyway, we replaced the
Don't
faulty
appreciate how eager
animatronic
you
with
are
some
right now.
brand new ones. Yeah,
Yeah, you were
so
back.
he's
Thank
stored
you very
way
much.
in the back until we can get someone to fix him. Anyway, if I were you, I'd keep the other ones at a distance and use the doors if you have to. That would be it for now. Have a good night.
Are you gone? Did you leave? Okay. It's 1 a.m. It is 1 a.m. You guys should not be this freaking active. Good. Good job. Go back. Hi! Okay, yeah, it's close. You're right there. You're gone. Okay. Oh god, you're coming back. Great. Hi. I forgot your name. Candy? Yeah, you're Candy. You're Candy. Cindy's still right there. Oh god, you need to stay put. Make up your freaking mind. Oh dear. Gosh, we're the second night. It sure is active. Oh, you're gone. Where'd you go? Okay, you're right there. No one's right there. No one's right there. No one's right there. Oh, nope! There's someone right there. Hi. No. No. Oh dear. Oh dear. Nope. 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 Hi. Okay. This is fun. I'm having so much fun. I love being stalked. Oh dear. I love this game. I really do. I love being stalked. I love feeling like I'm constantly in danger. It's a great feel. Hi! I forgot your name. Okay, someone's still right there. Yep, hi. Oh dear. I don't like it. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it at all. What was that? Hello. Okay, you're right there. You're right there. You're right there. Okay, hello! Don't tell me I have to worry about you. Don't tell me I have to worry about you too. God. Nah. Okay. God, you're creepy. Hello. Nope. 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 That's a nope. That is a big nope. That is... go fall in a hole. Was that steps? Yes, it was. 4 a.m. Come on! Hello? Oh dear. Where are you? Nope. I am clicking on my mouse so hard right now because I do not want to risk it. Yeah, I can open that now. Oh god. I'm gonna run out of power. Oh, I'm gonna die again. You're back over there. Good job. Oh. Dear, no. I'm gonna run out of power. Okay. Come on, 6 o'clock! No. If I freaking die again, I'm gonna be so pissed. You're good job. Hi. Okay. Oh god, I am so stressed right now. Alright, power's out. Power is out. Come on, 6 o'clock. Come on. Come on. Come on. Please. I'm gonna do this. If it is the last thing I do, I'm going to do this. Okay. So far, it's not as bad as it was last time, because that was freaking insane. Are you gone yet? No, you're not. Okay. Okay, you're done. You're gone. No eyes, no eyes. Hi. Hello. I do not like animatronics. They are probably my least favorite thing in the world. Hello. God. Okay. What time is it? 4 o'clock. I can do this. I can do this. I have trust in myself. I can do this. Okay, you went back. Wow, you're fast. Okay. I like the audio cues. Oh dear. I like how... Hi. I like how there's the audio cues that tell you when they're arriving and when they go away. That way you're not like just wasting battery all the time. Which, I mean, I still do anyway, but still. Hi. Alright, this is much slower than last time. Last time was like freaking hell. Jeez. You're not looking at me yet, so... Good job. You are persistent. You are very persistent. You're still over there. Stay there, that's fine. That's perfectly fine. Come on, 6 o'clock. If I run out of battery again, I swear to God. Did you go back in your little... Yeah, I think you went back in your little thingy. Nope, you're gonna come out again. Alright. 6 o'clock. Got it. See, I told you I could do it. Took me 3 tries, but I told you I could do it. Oh, what's this time? What horrors do you have for me today? Error. No video input. That sounds nice. Is that bones? Okay, well, that was night 2 of Five Nights at Candy's. That was particularly disturbing this time. That was fun. Okay, so far I really like this game, and and it's super hard to actually scare me with a video game, and this is unsettling. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this anyway. So my name is Sierrascopic, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, and welcome to the pink side.